Hello there. So you want to know how you can create an account and start singing on Simply Sing. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Simply Sing application. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and fill out all the questions that it's going to go ahead and start asking you on the start. I think I've already done that. Let me just go ahead and check right away. So as you can see, Simply Sing is going to start. All you need to do is simply click on the login button on the top right, and you can simply go ahead and continue with Facebook or Apple, or you could also simply go ahead and tap on get started. Go ahead and enter all these answers right over here, right? So you could simply go ahead and read it and answer it. I'm just going to do it randomly so I could show it to you. So for example, let me just search for Smarties. Let's say Taylor Swift. Let's say right here. All right, so click on continue and click on whatever your age is, and then what type of songs you want. So simply go ahead and tap on, simply go ahead and enter your email right here and click on create a free account. And it's going to ask you to create a password, and it's going to send you a verification code to your email. Then you will have to enter that verification code back in the application and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.